Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to see my commission on Digistore 24. So first thing that you will do guys is of course go to Digistore into your web browser and just simply log in into your account. And right away on the dashboard of Digistore, from here you should be able to see all of your commission. So from here you will have the customer value, the gross revenue, and the other as well. And from here, you should be able to see the overview of your earnings. So at the top, guys, if you don't know, you should be able to see here view vendor. So you can just simply click on this and go for affiliate over here. And from here, you will have a different view, but this view will be for affiliate. And as you can see, guys, you should be able to see here the earning totals that you have as an affiliate, and you should be able to see here the promo links, earning per links, and the total refund and the new partnership that are available. And from here you should be able to find your earnings right away. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.